try this again. All right.
Did you get it?
Yeah. How do you zoom in? I don't get it. Up, far, down, near. Whatever, I don't care.
Is it on?
Yeah. Recording too. Probably. You guys are retarded.
You're retarded.
Yeah.
Woo!
That's not nice, Beck. Move your leg.
What?
Push.
What?
Eve.
What's not nice?
You.
Shut up.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Look, can you see me?
Yeah.
Rebecca's a fart. Fart.
I don't know how to like zoom in.
You got it with the button.
Yeah, it won't work.
It's supposed to.
It's not working. So I just hold it down and...
Yeah. See?
No,
No? Is it zoomed in all the way already?
no, I keep on zooming out and zooming in, but it won't work. Look, there's so many bugs.
It's all right.
No,
It's a buggy
ugly.
bug world out here.
It's a buggy bug world. Okay, now we gotta take these off.
Hi.
Let me see the wrench, Madeline.
Hey, buddy.
You feel better, pal?
I think he does.
You're so retarded. All right, buddy. Now he's coming over to you.
Ah, puke dog! Ah, puke dog!
I hope he licks your face.
Puke dog! I'm a puke dog, puke dog, puke dog. You all right? Bat! Ah, Uncle Johnny.
What?
He lost the thing. Now I need a screwdriver. He lost the screw. Now I need a screwdriver. I'm gonna have to kill him. He's a puke dog. Grab that in. Walk this way!
Talk this way.
Keep
Two
going there, heathen.
idiots. It's kind of sad.
Okay.
Whatever.
Now,
Landscape. Buddy, bud,
Shouldn't we?
come here. Come here. Good boy. Up. Jump up. Jump up. It's a good boy. I hope you don't lick me. Please don't lick me. Let's go inside. Yeah? Bye for now.
God, Beck.
Oh,
How long have you been waiting for?
I was sitting there. I was like, wait for it. I turned the camera. I was like, oh God. I was like, I'm
Such
gonna
a
get it good. I love you though.
You're lucky I love you too.